Hello everyone, I'm the founder of the DBX project, Tommy Wen, and today I'd like to demonstrate to you our DApp, that is Ruyi Pay. You can see the logo here. And Ruyi Pay is one of the largest supermarket payment solution providers in China, and it has already covered over 400K different kind of supermarkets all over China. And we can see this Huiyou supermarket here, this logo. And this supermarket is really a large one, and it has over 10,000 square meters. It's very wide, and it has over 40,000 different kinds of merchandise on sale here. You can see a lot of merchandise. Okay, so let's try our DApp. This is Ruyi Go. So let's try the scan and buy function. And let's try to buy something, like a bottle of iced tea. Wow, really iced. And we can see the code here, and let's scan it. So it's added to the cart. And let me enter my password. Buy it. So now we can see the verification code here. So how is it connected to the DBX network? Let's go and check the DBX wallet. And waiting for the transaction log here. We can see that by Ruyi Pay, I just have paid 3 cents off, right? That's a 2.97. That's a Ruyi token. It is a token issued on the DBX network. So let's go and check out with this verification code. Let's go to the checkout counter. I will show this verification code in the inlay here. So we can see that it says it's already checked, I have already paid, so I can take this iced tea away. So this is a vivid demonstration of the Ruyi Pay, one of our DBX coolest real-world DApp. And many of the solutions we provide are for the high-load, high-traffic, like the supermarket payment solution that has tens of thousands of customers per hour to check out here. So that's a demonstration. Thank you.